Since my dad passed away, my mom's by herself, and she's lonely, and I'm not there. And her friends are busy with their own lives as well. A companion would be the best thing I could get for her. But trying to find one is very difficult. JFS has a program that has home health care and senior companion. I called, we spoke about it, the cost factor, everything was perfect. She waits by the door for her companion every day. It has given her a new lease on life. She's not afraid to go out, she has somebody to go with, and she's not lonely anymore.
It not only gives me companionship, but it does give me security. Julie, I love her. She is part of my family. She drives me when I need to. She takes me to the doctors. She sleeps over when I need her to. She is my family.